Vision for humanity, shift from an equation of global decrease to infinite global increase. Importantly, this is the main key shift needed to proceed a successful recreation of all of humanity's social constructs in order for everyone's needs to be met and to create a sense of global family. It is in seeking better outcomes that our growth materializes, and it starts with us. Buddha said war is futile as the conquered are unhappy. Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world. Einstein said that a conundrum cannot be solved by the same consciousness that created it. Therefore, if we wish to experience a better life for ourselves and a better world to live in, then first a shift in consciousness is needed towards a new way of constructing our world, an authentic way of thinking. And the more and more people inhabiting the earth, the greater the need for this shift to occur at a global level. A shift to an equation of infinite global increase, I equals ER. Infinite global increase has the potential to come about as a result of an elevated global consciousness, which would naturally form ubiquitous, healthy relationships. Elevated global consciousness would be the result of an integrated global awareness, which we then choose to apply to the attributes of our shared humanity, human spirit. Integrated global awareness represents for us all an increasing awareness and understanding of ourselves, our primary relationships, society, our global family, and the environment. A place of grander awareness to consciously direct the path of humanity, and a broad social awareness that we have a choice to use higher level tools from what we call human spirit. We all possess this essence of human spirit. It represents our authentic selves and identifies with using the treasures of our highest level tools, love, forgiveness, compassion, tolerance and integrity to form and shape all relationships and to produce all that we create. These truly empowering tools seem harder to master at first. We need to be far more conscious to select them, and in a world that operates mainly from an ego consciousness, we sometimes have to be very skillful to enact them. But when we do, they induce positive feelings of happiness, joy, contentment, and genuine self-worth. We call this mixture of formulated consciousness elevated consciousness. The higher aspects of ourselves working together, an ever-increasing awareness utilizing the essence of our human spirit, allows for healthy relationships to materialize in all we touch. This is humanity's true north. When we apply this elevated consciousness to any relationship, whether of a business, religious, legal, political or environmental nature, we are adding to global increase. The relationships formed by elevated consciousness are based on and identified by cooperation, co-creation and co-action, where everyone's needs are met. There is a natural desire for harmony and the well-being of others as an inherent prerequisite to be fulfilled, thus further inducing reciprocal actions in others and further appreciating returns. And what a wonderful world we start to live in when encountering other individuals also choosing to engage in this positive energy to create. Reciprocal consciousness that multiplies and encourages global increase. And so the more we, humanity, become increasingly aware of self, our primary relationships, society and the environment, the more the potential exists for what we call integrated global awareness. Subject this greater collective awareness to the transformative tools of the human spirit, and it is possible to experience an elevation of global consciousness. And at a tipping point, this will inevitably result in the forming of ubiquitous healthy relationships. We call the ongoing product of all of this combined increase for the planet and for all humanity infinite global increase, having come from the collective power harnessed within humanity. Widespread collaborative relationships producing truly healthy societies, positive social constructs, and a successful planet, and in turn, full circle, healthy individuals. The highest expression of which no doubt manifests in global peace, prosperity, and joy.